Hello everyone, my name is Aklilu Tasfallet and this video is chapter 7 podcast review, and from the three options I choose podcast option number 2 and Daddy Makes 3. And why do I choose this one? Because I want to better understand how a young children perceives their family when it doesn't match traditional norms. What general terms about humanity this podcast illustrates? Okay, this story illustrates that family structure can look very different from the traditional norms, but still provide the same love, care, stability. It also highlights how the global village is becoming more aware of and open to diverse families. Question number 3. What lessons can students learn from this podcast? Students of intercultural can learn that communication about identity, family, roles, and love is deeply influenced by cultural norms, laws, religion, and media. It also highlights the importance of listening and respecting people's diverse lived experience, especially when they challenge the mainstream. Question number 4. How did this podcast help you understand the perception of the people in this episode? This podcast helped me see how the child like DJ is already learning cultural perceptions about family and marriage. Even he doesn't fully understand what a gay means. It shows how deeply ideas about normal families are embedded in society and how they shape a child's self-identity and worldview. Question number 5. How might you respond or feel if you are involved in this story? If I were DJ, the son who might feel confused when the other people talk about normal families or make me feel like my family is unusual. As a young child, I probably wouldn't fully understand what gay means yet. So I would really, on my dad's help, explain this in a way that makes sense to me. Question number 6. In what year was this podcast published and have impacted the way in which the story was told? Okay, this podcast was published in November 2005. The historical context have impacted the story by narrative framing because the topic was less familiar to many listeners. Then the story emphasized normally and love, focusing on day-to-day family life rather than activism. It helps humanize and destigmatize a gay parenting by putting us in DJ's shoes, using humor and warmth. And thank you.